which is backside 272Z series. Remove this cover. Then you'll find two screws out here. Unplug these screws. Remove the stand.
Then
Open two screws which are at the corner of base. Locks will automatically get opened. Then open this back cover
smoothly. You will
Then at the right edge you will find one screw. Remove the screw. Just push this. You will find memory slots.
Two memory slots are there.
You can remove this.
Now this is the main part to install the memory. You have
Like this inclined, you can plug that memory. Now you can again put this back cover. Plug that screw. It should be properly inserted.